Hi guys, for today's video is mag-withdraw tayo sa Yockers. So as you can see guys, may 50 pesos na ako. Pero hindi ko pa tapos yung task ko, kaya madadagdagan pa yan. So gagawa tayo ng task dito. Ang gagawin mo lang is, manunod ka ng 40 seconds video. So 4 na beses ka manunod ng 40 seconds na video. Kada video, 3 pesos yung madadagdag sa balance. So bali may 60 pesos ka. May 60 pesos na mag-withdraw dito.
It's a great pleasure for me to unveil today at Goodness Harris Motor Show a new car in Renault range. Now it is the time to discover Renault Duster Oroch. Launch of used Renault Duster Oroch is one of the most important flagship launch for the pickup. Renault offers this new...
The
Infinity Engineering Academy is a global search to find the best young engineers.
The price for the winners is 1 year working
plus kasi nga may
6 months at the
398
Technical
pesos.
Center in the UK and 6 months at Renault Sport Formula 1 team. We have 7 winners coming from 7 countries.
It's a real opportunity for them to gain some experience in the pinnacle of engineering expertise.
This would be a tremendous opportunity to develop your career. These people will drive the business in the future.
Apply online at academy.infinity.com.
Closing na lang.
If you see a check engine light in your dash, the temperature gauge rising above normal, a temperature warning light, or if you see steam coming from under the hood, feel reduced power, or smell a funny odor, your vehicle may be overheating. Fact is, several things can cause overheating. Low coolant level, a leak in your coolant system, a bad water pump, or a thermostat issue. The result? A toasty motor. Be sure to have routine maintenance to check your coolant levels, and top them off if necessary. Check hoses for leaks or cracks.
Yan, tapos na guys. So, mag-withdraw na tayo kasi may 60 pesos na tayo. Tignan natin kung magpapa-withdraw pa ba si Yockers. 60. So, and guys, for processing na. And mga ilang minuto lang papasok na to sa ating Gcash. Ayan. So, ito na yung mga na-withdraw ko guys. Isang beses lang ako nag-top up dito. So, ang validity kasi nito is forever and 400. Hindi naman siya pang forever. Pag nawala na itong Yockers, alam niyo naman yung mga ganitong companies na long term, mawawala pa rin siya. Hindi to pang forever. Pero at least, ang maganda nun is, nakabawi tayo. Parang nag-invest lang din tayo sa business, pero hindi tayo naludo. I-attach ko na lang dito guys pag dumating yung aking withdraw. So, ito na nga guys, nag-success na yung aking withdraw dito sa Yockers. So, as of now guys, nagpapa-withdraw pa din talaga si Yockers. Paying pa din sila. And active pa rin yung kanilang Telegram channel. Yung New World AI nga guys eh. Sayang na wala yung manager namin. Buhay pa din. Nagkaganto na sila. Sana So, ayan na nga guys, pumasok na yung aking withdraw sa Yockers, 60 pesos. Yung legit pa din naman, nagpapa-withdraw pa. Sana magtagal habang buhay na talaga. Para may pinagkakakitaan.